Upgrade Skill Bite here. In this video, I'm going to try to answer the question that everyone has about the MX-5 Miata. Soft top or RF? So I have driven both. I own one, and this is going to be a quick video, I hope, on the pros and cons. So the RF. Now granted, color does affect the looks of both, but I think that these are two of the best colors for their style. The Soul Red Crystal on the RF just is striking. People are always asking what it is. It's just a beautiful car. The Machine Gray, I think, is one of the best looking on the soft tops. And with this Grand Touring, it's even got the silver, the dark silver wheels, which I think look good on it. So you got your looks. Looks are purely opinion. So you really can't compare the looks without actually seeing them with the tops up as well. And see what I mean by the gray looking good with that black top? Sound. Top down, the soft top is quieter. That's correct, it's quieter. Especially when you get out on the interstate, top down, the RF, all that metal around the seat here, all this, it'll buff it a little. Especially if you get up to 70, you will hear the wind buffeting on this, and you will feel it. You can take the plate out there and it'll change it, but it still is louder with top down. Now top up, the RF is quieter than the soft top at speed and lower. The RF also costs $2,700 more. So the soft top is definitely cheaper. The soft top is lighter, about 100 pounds lighter, which definitely, if you're looking at racing, could affect it. And doing a roll bar with the soft top, it's a lot easier to do a roll bar than it is in the RF. I know there's at least one place that makes a roll bar for the RF, but it breaks the RF function. So it's pretty much always up, which kind of defeats the whole purpose of a convertible, but it does give you a roll bar. Speed. That soft top, 5 seconds to put it up or down. It's that quick. The RF, 13 seconds, and you got to hold the button unless you get the mod to allow the one touch, which I have and would recommend if you get the RF. And the RF opening and closing only works at 6 miles an hour and under. If you hit 7 miles an hour, it will stop opening and closing. So don't get caught at a stoplight. I have. Now the mod does change that and it allows you to go to a faster speed, but that's additional price. So I'm not a pro at putting the soft top down and up, but I'll bet you I'm still a lot faster than you are in the RF. Ready? Set, go. Done. All right, I think I was faster. How about putting it up? Ready? Set, go. Hey, you cheated. You cheated. Okay, I'm done. Soft top's a little faster. What's left? Well, the RF is more secure. They can't just cut your top and get in. And as a daily driver, if you plan on this being a 4-season car, you might go RF, because the soft top will be less friendly in the winter. And if you don't have a garage to park it in, the soft top's gonna wear more and will have to be replaced at some point. So, does that answer your question? Nah, not me either. Anyway, in the comments, let me know, soft top or retractable fastback, and why. Thanks for watching.